More than 2,000 towns across 40 countries in Europe, which are every year organizing this mobility event. So why is it a success, and why do you have so many cities joining us, and why are we happy that Belgrade is joining us also on this mobility week? There are several reasons for that. First of all, we all know that transport is creating pollution in general in urban cities. So therefore, we need to reduce the pollution, because pollution, for the first reason, is actually reducing life expectancy of citizens in the city by, as we know, sometimes up to 2 years. So it's, for all of us, I think, quite important. 2 years of life is obviously something we value very much. The second reason is, of course, the issue of pollution and climate change. Urban transport is generating quite a lot of pollution, about 25% of gas emission for road transport. So therefore, it is important for improving the overall quality of life, for improving our environment and reducing the heating of the atmosphere, that we use alternative way of transport.